So there's a battery compartment on my trailer. And here's the cable locks, or the cables that I was telling you about. I've got cables wrapped around it, around each battery. And then I have a lock here. And normally what I do is I'll take that lock take the cable and run it up through these holes in the handles here, and then lock it in the middle here, and that keeps everything from walking off. Let's talk about the wiring here. So as you see, if the wire comes here underneath, see how we have it have tie wraps, zip ties on it to keep them together. And then there's a loom. These are wire looms on here to cover the wires before they go into the coach, before they go inside the coach. So yeah, so you've got the cable. You can just buy those cables at Walmart or whatever in the bicycle section. Get you some cables and get you a good lock. This is a good lock right here. This one is made by Brinks. It's a good lock.